We'll guide you through how to separate page in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer and wait until the program fully loads on your screen. Open the Excel file you want to edit by clicking File, selecting Open, and choosing your worksheet from the list. Make sure your worksheet data is already visible so you can clearly decide where the new page should begin. Click the row number where you want the new page to start so Excel highlights that row position. If needed, select the entire row by clicking its row header to ensure the break will be placed correctly across the sheet. Go to the top menu and click the Page Layout tab to access page formatting tools. Look for the Page Setup group in the toolbar where Print and Layout controls are displayed. Click the Breaks drop-down button to open the Page Break Options menu. Choose Insert Page Break from the list to create a manual page division at the selected row. Notice the page break line appears in the sheet as a divider that marks where the next printed page will begin. Switch to the View tab in the top menu to change how the worksheet display is shown. Click Page Break Preview to see page divisions clearly with visible boundaries between each print page. Review how the sheet is now separated into pages and check whether the break position matches your intended layout. Drag the blue page break line if you want to adjust it to a different position on the sheet. Move it up or down to change the split position so the content fits better across printed pages. Release the mouse after placing the line at the correct boundary. Click back to normal view when finished reviewing so you can return to the standard worksheet display. Save your Excel file after setting the page break by clicking File, and then Save to keep the new page layout. Confirm the save process completes before closing or continuing your work. This ensures the manual page separation remains applied to the worksheet for future printing and viewing. Open Print Preview to confirm page separation by clicking File and then selecting Print so the preview panel appears on the screen. Check each page layout before printing by scrolling through the preview pages one by one using the navigation arrows provided. Close Print Preview when the page split looks correct by clicking the back arrow or close button to return to the worksheet view and continue working.